Hello everybody and welcome to America. Today I'm going to do a quick video here on the Kubota B1700. Old faithful unit here. Oh, it's backwards. Anyways, that guy. So a lot of people, I'm in a Facebook group for Kubota tractor guys, and every year about this time when it starts to get cold, everybody asks, hey, how can I put a block heater on? Why didn't it come with a block heater? Maybe 2 years ago, I put a block heater in mine. It was way simpler than I thought. So hopefully this will help you if you're gonna do it. It took probably 10 minutes. So I'm gonna show you what to do, and hopefully you can have all the tools ready and get the right parts so it will be that easy for you. So I'm gonna flip you around and I'll show you what the deal is. Stick around. All right, so I got the left-hand side panel pulled off. I don't know for sure that all Kubota tractors are this way, but I know a lot of them are. They use a lot of the same blocks for their tractors, so just investigate your particular situation. Your mileage may vary, but hopefully this will point you in the right direction. So this is the block heater itself, and I took this off, loosened this. This nut holds the cord on, and then so you can replace these. This is a 1-inch pipe thread plug. This is what comes in it from the factory. It has an Allen head. I don't remember what size it is, but it's pretty big, so make sure you have one of those on hand so you can get it out. And so just I went to the local Napa in town where I live, where all my good friends and such are at. I got I think Katz is the manufacturer that makes these. I'll try and look online, see if I can post a part number or something if I can find one. But basically, I just got the large Allen head. I think I had one that went in a socket, put it in there, loosened it up, got it so that it was almost all the way out. I got this part, the actual block heater part, ready. Pulled the one out and put this one right back in, and I lost almost no coolant because that's in the water jacket. So if you leave that and linger, you're gonna have lose coolant. Put it back in. This cord, like I showed, it comes off. Put that on, tighten up this nut. I'm not gonna do it right now because my hands are full, but that just presses on there. And then the cord is a lot longer than it needs to be, so I just zip tied it up to this, and then usually I tuck this guy up out of the way, so otherwise it hangs down. But yeah, so that's the block heater. I think when I did it, it actually took me like 10 or 15 minutes. Hopefully this will help you, and if you're planning to do the same thing for you. All right guys, so I got the tractor put back together. I did look up and I found the part number from Katz. I'm gonna post a picture of that at the end of the video, so hopefully that will help you if you have the same apparatus and you want to get one set up on your own tractor. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please post them below, video suggestions, etc. And until next time, stay American.